Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Yamaha brand. It has a problem that won't start. So when you turn on the ignition switch, you're able to crank, but it doesn't start. So let us go through simple steps, step by step. Then we diagnose the issue, make sure it is running. Yeah. We are here. We turn on the switch. We try starting, like the bike does not start, but we are seeing this engine check light here. It means we have an issue. And here we have a code, EFI code, fault code, which is error 12. Yes. And the error 12, when you check the repair manual, it is automatically the CKP for the Yamaha is the crankshaft position sensor, meaning it is maybe faulty or disconnected. So let us open this cover here. And we check on the wire harness which goes to the crankshaft position sensor to measure with the multimeter. Then we see. Keep tuned in, subscribe. Yes, make sure you watch till the end of the video and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Yes, we have moved all the bolts. So let us remove the cover, and also we are going to remove this footboard and the hind parts. Then we see what is next. Yes, we are soon here. So we are left to removing the seat, then this foot pad will be off. Yes, now we have removed the whole parts as you can see them. We have reached our crankshaft position sensor connector. It is over here. This is the rectifier connector, as you can see. And now we are going to first check for a loose contact, and then we are going to use our multimeter and make sure everything is right so that we make the bike run. So let us plug it out first and see. We are seeing the terminals are good. Let us plug it again firmly, and we check with the switch and the dashboard. You see, the engine malfunction light is still on. It is over here, and then the C12, the code 12 is over here also. Is here. Let us measure with our multimeter and see the resistance of the CKP. Having our multimeter here, make sure it is in a continuity setting. Here the buzzer. So plug this out, then we check for the resistance. You see, it is in open line mode, meaning wire is cut somewhere. I'm putting, but the multimeter is showing open line. Are you seeing? It is showing open line. So we are going to open up the engine and remove the stator, and we check for the CKP wire continuity, and then we fix back. After fixing, we are sure that the malfunction light will clear. Now we are going to remove these parts over here. So yeah, let us remove them when we come back. Now that we have removed the oil, air, and we are going to remove the air filters, both of them, so that we can access the. We are going to remove this crankcase so that we get to the stator and where the crankshaft position sensor is located, and we see if we have a wire cut or if the crankshaft position sensor is dead. So we have removed all the parts, as you can see over here. And then let's go ahead and remove the exhaust, the air cleaners, and then we shall reach to the crankcase. Now the air filters are out and the exhaust is off the muffler. So removing these hose pipes, and I'm going to remove this stator cover so that we can access the CKP and the stator. Yeah. Now we have opened the crankcase. This is the pickup coil, the crankshaft position sensor. Now we are measuring it. It is showing open line. Then what we are going to do is we are going to replace it, then we fire again the engine, and we are sure the fault code will be deleted and the bike will be able to start. You are subscribed to our channel? Yes. So we have got this crankshaft position sensor, and we are going to measure its resistance with a multimeter, and we see the difference between the dead one and the good one. Yeah. So let us measure its resistance here. As you can see, it's moving around 268 ohms. Yeah, this is a good resistance, and if we measure here, we are getting an open line. But if we measure this, we are having resistance. Yeah. So let us mount this inside. Remove this dead. We're going to remove this and we put this, and we shall join the wire from outside. Keep tuned in, subscribe. And we have fully installed we have mounted our new crankshaft position sensor. We are going to assemble the engine back, then we fire and see how all it goes. Yes, welcome back. We have finished put everything together. The crankcase is now closed. As you can see, the exhaust muffler is back on. Yes, we have put everything back together. Put the exhaust, the hose pipes all are together. So Now what is left is to use the socket for the crankshaft position sensor. Now we are putting we are powering on. The malfunction light is off, and the A5 fault code is also gone. So let us try starting, and we see if we can fire. Yes, the engine is up and running. So, as you've seen the whole process, I thank you for being here all along with us. We have gone step by step. We have replaced the sensor. Now the engine is firing well. So, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed, and stay tuned. More videos are coming on repairs. Today we are having this, tomorrow we are having another bike. So, thank you for watching. Keep tuned in.